Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start in the camera view. Tap your profile icon at the top left to expose account options. Once there, you must tap the gear icon to reach settings. This is where display options live. Make sure your app is updated because older builds may hide appearance controls. If you're on iOS, also check system appearance in settings. On Android, confirm any system-wide dark theme is not forcing app themes. Now move to Appearance or App Theme in Settings to continue. Once in Settings, scroll deliberately until you see Appearance or App Theme. Snapchat sometimes buries it. If you can't find it, use the Settings search field and type Appearance. This surfaces the control quickly. When you reach the option, you'll see choices like Always Dark, Match System, and Light. Choose Light to turn off dark mode. If Match System is selected, change it to Light so the app won't follow your phone's dark theme. After switching, give the app a moment to redraw. You're almost done. After choosing Light, close Snapchat fully and reopen it to force the UI to refresh. That often finalizes the change. If the app remains dark, check your phone's display settings and disable any system-wide dark theme because Match System can override app choices. If appearance is missing or the toggle doesn't stick, sign out, clear app cache, or reinstall Snapchat. This resets settings and usually restores the appearance control. Finally, test a few screens to confirm the light theme persists.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.